How you doing? How's it hanging? Huh? How's your mom and them? Are they doing great? I don't really care. No, I do. I hope you're living a great life. Yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some brakes and the Murano behind me. You're in for a treat. You might not be. I'm just, making up as it goes. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. You see what I did there? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. You did. Please, if you like this video, give me a good old subscribe down here. I'd appreciate it. Please also like, comment, and share this on your socials. I'd appreciate it very much. So with that being said, let's get some things done.
You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
I gotta do these damn brakes again. For the people that have been to this channel for a while now, you'll know that less than a year ago, I did a full brake job on this damn baby. And they're effing bad. They are bad already. Probably about 11,000 miles, and they took a dump into my shorts. So I gotta spend more money on more parts and do more work for no damn real reason. The brakes suck now. They suck. They just suck. Nothing else I could say. They suck. You'll see how bad they are once I start taking things apart. But so this is just your basic brake job on a Nissan Murano with a stupid idiot in front and center on your phone, tablet, whatever, laptop, whatever you're watching this on your screen. It's something with a screen. Maybe you're even listening to this. I don't know. Maybe you're not even watching me. You're just listening on your AirPods or something. I have no clue what you do with your free time. And it's none of my damn business. Somebody just got hurt. Oh well, not my problem. So I'm going to time lapse. I'll do the first wheel, take everything apart, and I'll probably do video to show you how bad the first wheel is. I'm going to do the front drivers first, and then I'll just time lapse after that, the front right, and then we'll do the back. We'll just hop back between time lapse and video of showing you what I find. So let's get rolling. Got the front pads and rotors here. The rotor isn't too bad. You can't really see too well, but it's not perfectly flush. There's a tiny bit of a lip, but it's not major. It's not perfect though. It does have a little bit of grooves to it. The pads for 11,000 miles are crap, but the fronts weren't down to the backing yet. That's that one. And you kind of see the meat on this one. It should look like this at like 25,000 miles or 30,000 miles. Crap. Don't get them. NAPA. Alright, next I'm going to do the other front, the front passenger wheel. I'm going to time lapse that, and then I'm going to time lapse also the rear, probably driver. All in one shot, and then I'll show you after I get the rear driver stuff off. I'll show you what that looks like. Then we'll time lapse the other side. So gotta keep working, do work. I come to you from Souplandia to Nutlandia. I do. Don't believe me? That's your problem. Can't help you there. Got all the brakes done, all the way around. They weren't absolutely horrible. The rear passenger was as bad as you could get, though. The back was worse than the front for some damn reason, because, you know, if you don't know this, basically your front brakes take more of the abuse and more of the weight, you know, when you're braking a vehicle, just because basic physics and, you know, inertia, motion, stopping. Think about it, when you slam on your brakes, your nose of your car dives down. That means there's more weight going to the front of the car. So front brakes usually wear out quicker and are usually in worse shape, but I don't know why. Rear brakes were horrible. So this is the passenger side rear. This, that I just took the pad out. This little rivet or whatever it rivet the material on fell out. This is what was left. There's zero material on this pad. For reference, for those who don't know, this is from the driver's side, so this isn't horrible. This is a little bit worn, but you see the material here. That's basically what's going to look like. This is where your brake dust comes from, and that's what it kind of sort of is supposed to look like. You have some meat here where my thumb is, not just the metal backing plate. This, no meat, zero, absolutely zero meat, just metal backing plate. It's so bad the rivet fell out. This one, there's two per wheel, so this one was very close to having zero material left. As you can see where my thumb is, it's almost paper thin, but there's tiny bit left, and there's a little bit of a lip left here, but this is definitely 100% bad too. And this is the rotor from the rear passenger. You kind of see how dug in this lip is. Basically, originally, it's flush. Sorry for the spitting. It's flush with this part where my finger is. That's the way it comes. So you kind of see how much it's worn down. You could take a look. You see kind of the left side here, how much thinner it is than the right side. They're very close in thickness when you buy them new. This is less than a year. So that was the problem. Now, here's the rear passenger's one of the pads, so it's not horrible. It had some life left. Here's the other pad. So this one wasn't too bad either. It was, you know, probably worn more than it should be, honestly, but it did have life left. This, the inside of the rear rotor, there is a kind of a lip here, and it is worn more than it should be. This is like a 25,000 mile rotor. You can see the right side is a little bit skinnier than the outside. This shouldn't be within a year, but that's where we're at. But it was the rear right that was causing the majority of the problems. But my wheel did shake when I hit the brakes in the front. So the front brakes were bad. They were shaky. There were some shaky brakes. Shake brake. But the rear right was just absolutely atrocious. I don't know what the hell happened. I wasn't like drifting or doing anything wild. I wasn't riding with the e-brake or doing stupid anything, but I don't know. Basically, I just have to clean up here, throw the wheels back on, take it for a test drive. So I'll do that, and then hopefully I'll be back with some good news that everything is A-okay and it's aces. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Yeah! It worked! Everything seems to be good, and the brakes are good, they're nice and quiet, the car's stopping good, everything seems kosher on the Murano. Everything seems good on the Murano, is what I was trying to get at. Brake-wise, that is. So, next video you're gonna see coming after this one is me putting the calipers all together and the brake pads for the 350Z twin turbo project. More brake stuff. These brakes are sexier though. They're some sexy little girls. They are. Yeah. So that's next coming up for you very soon. And Shuddy! I'll destroy this whole damn garage just to get that goddamn cricket. I mean, I will destroy this garage to get that cricket. I'll go out and get a goddamn cat. I don't even have a cat. I'll go out and just get a cat for the sole purpose of eliminating that cricket's life. That cricket no longer needs life. I have issues, and I don't like crickets. More importantly, I have issues. I mean, you probably have already noticed that, but Shutty! Shut up! Now I know what it's like to be married. I'm a single guy, but this is marriage. I guarantee you this is marriage. Every person that's married that I've ever talked to says this is marriage. Being married is like having a goddamn cricket in the garage that's like tucked behind something you can't even get to easily and you want to kill it. That's marriage. I'm married now. Sorry ladies, I'm off the market. I'm apparently married. Who knew it was going to happen tonight? I didn't. So brakes coming up next in the 350Z twin turbo project. That's moving along pretty nicely. You already saw me put the radiator, etc. into it, so moving along. Still waiting on intercooler piping though. Still waiting. That's basically most thing holding me up right now. But stay positive. You know what? I woke up today. Great day. So don't forget to subscribe down here. Give me a like, comment, and make sure you share this on your socials with your friends and family, and share the joy of laughter. Is there any better gift in the world than sharing the joy of laughter? I don't think so. I don't think so. Shut up! I don't think so. Make them laugh. Make me make them laugh. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. And tell a friend to tell a friend that you want them to laugh. Gosh darn it. With that being said, please stay tuned, and when you subscribe, I would appreciate that, by the way, please. Make sure you hit the bell, too, so that way every time I drop a video, you know about it. You want to be in the know. I know you do. I'm psychic. I'm psychic right here. I didn't mean to do that. That's not... I'm right here. I know you want to be in the know. I know you want to be in the know. Don't ask how I know, but I know. With that being said, enough of my damn rambling. Stay tuned for some more stupid crap. Check out my old stupid crap. And in the meantime, drive fast, take charge.